So, YouTube. I don't know what it is with you lately. First, you guys show me the new, YouTube music thing. The new audio library, which disappeared within 24 hours of me gaining access to it. Technically, within about maybe 10 hours it disappeared, give or take. Like, oh, okay. But I discovered the new thing that's been talked about on YouTube for a while because they're getting rid of Google Trends entirely. Or they want you to not rely on that anymore. Follow trends for your videos and topics. And I went into my analytics. What is this new button? Research. Okay. Explore what viewers are searching for on YouTube. Use this tool to research some of the top searches from viewers on your channel across YouTube for the past 28 days. I did take a sneak peek of this. I'm terrified, but just for this video, I'm going to show it because I can. First one, why? Why is Barbie doll video a thing? And then another one called Level Tier Locations, which I honestly had to Google what the hell that is, and it's Elden Ring. I have Elden Ring, but I've never played it, so I was like, okay. And then it tells me about content gap, and this is what content gap says. Understanding content gaps. A content gap is a way to measure what viewers are searching for and the results they find. A content gap can happen when viewers can't find any results for their searches, viewers can't find an exact match for their searches, viewers can't find relevant videos for their search. For example, the content is old or low quality. You may want to use a content gap as a starting point to research videos that don't exist or can be improved. And then say, if I click on this, it just, level tier locations. It looks up everyone who has done this. And then everything else is like Indonesia, bird, fly knife tricks, aces, some like laptop stuff, PS4 Slim, which I don't have, longest name in the world, which I don't understand what that has to do with me. Cathedral of Dragons Communion, which I believe is from DD2. No, Elden Ring. Never mind. Bread meme, Apple, MacBook, Obama funny moments, CBR 150? What the fuck is CBR? Oh! So a vehicle. For future content creators, if and when you unlock this research button, be sure to look through it. Because I'll show, say, on my second channel, like this channel has it. Let me casually go to my OG channel real quick. It doesn't have this button unlocked. It also doesn't have revenue, because I abandoned this poor channel. We're not talking about it, okay? For those of you who actually have it, be sure to look. See what your viewers want. It will definitely tell you what you should make videos on. By this point, I've seen 2 suggestions for Elden Ring stuff. I guess I should go cover that. Anyways, thank you everyone so much for watching. I appreciate you all. As always, I am Imoogi Nevermore. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.